What's up guys? I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of my new DeWALT saw. So this is what the box looks like. And it is a 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw. I didn't have one, so that's the reason why I bought it. I got a few projects that I want to do. I'm going to be doing one today. I'm going to be making a gate for my front porch, and I'll be using this to do it. So this is the box. This is what it says on the front. You see there, it's got dust system compatible. See, the model number is dw715. Here's some specifications. So yeah, let's get this thing unboxed and see what's inside. Alright, so I got it out of the box. That's all it comes with. It was the saw itself and this little pack right here. I think it's just the instructions, a little tool to take off the blade probably, and yeah, and then there's the saw. Looks really nice. Alright, so it looks like if you push down right there and then pull this out, it'll let it come up. So it's really smooth. So you're able to turn the saw with this little handle here. You just lift up this thing right here with your finger and it should be able to turn just like that. And then when you let go, it'll lock in place. It locks into these little things here. And if you really want it to be locked in, maybe you push that down like that, and then it's nice and firm, it's locked in. And then when you want to move it, just lift that back up, pull the little trigger down there, and you're free to move it around. You can go up to 50 degrees this way, 50 degrees that way, and it also bevels to one side. So let's see how you do that. I think it's this thing right here. You just loosen this up. And then let's see how it works. Oh, and then so right away it just starts leaning over. So you got up to 45-degree angle. So say we want to do a 30 degrees. Let's see how we do that. So we pull it up to 30, tighten the little thing back here. Now it's firm. And then so to do an angled cut like that, then you got to move this back plate back a little bit, which is with this little thing right here. Loosen that up, and you can put it to about right there, and the saw should be able to clear that. So yeah, first impressions, it's a beautiful saw. It's nice. The machining looks really nice on it. It's even got like a design on this one right here on the back plate. I don't know if you can see that or not. It also comes with a dust bag, which is easily applied. You just put it on there like that, and that's it right there. You just It's also got a bunch of holes in the frame so you can mount it to whatever you have. If you want to just mount it to like some wood or something. It's also the holes for it to mount to the DeWALT stand. That's what those are also for. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole saw. I mean, look at that. You can move this around, this adjustment thing right here. It's probably already accurate, but if it's not accurate, you can loosen these bolts and move it around to get it to where it needs to be. The trigger, so there's no kind of lock or anything. You could just push the trigger without having to, you know, some of them have like a little lock where you got to push one button and then this button can push down, but not with this one. You just got one button and it's good to go. Yeah, so let's get this thing outside and let's see how it works. And a few hours later, I have this beautiful gate. Thanks to this and myself. So yeah, that wraps up this review and unboxing. I give this thing a 10 out of 10. It worked great. All the cuts looked really good, and it really makes an amateur like me look like a pro. So yeah, I'd highly suggest picking this up if you don't have a miter saw. And with this 12-inch blade, you're going to be able to cut a lot of different stuff. So yeah, I'll leave a link in my description below for you to be able to buy this saw on Amazon for the cheapest they have it around. If you also want that, I'll include a link for that too. That works really good. Alright guys.